Hi, this is Soy and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to teach you the pattern of a lacing Irish crochet flower applique pattern for beginners. So let's start together. Start with a slip knot, then chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert your hook into the first chain, then make a slip stitch. Chain 1, then make 14 single crochets in this circle. This is my 1, 2. I crocheted 14 single crochets, then insert your hook into the first single crochet, then make a slip stitch. Chain 3, then make 4 double crochets in same stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remove the hook, insert your hook in third chain, then pull through this loop to make a popcorn stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip 1 stitch, insert your hook into the next stitch, then make 5 double crochets in same stitch. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last time. Remove the hook, insert your hook in first double crochet and pull through this loop. Chain 3 and repeat 7 times. You should have 7 popcorns. At the end of the row, chain 3, then make a slip stitch. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then make a single crochet. Chain 6, 4, 5, 6. Then make a single crochet. Keep going. At the end of the row, chain 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then make a slip stitch. Make 4 single crochets in first space. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then make a pocket with a single crochet. Make 4 single crochets again in same space. 3 and 4. Make a single crochet in the single crochet of the previous row and repeat again. Make 4 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then make a single crochet to make a pocket. Make 4 single crochets again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then make a single crochet in the single crochet of the previous row. Keep going. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch. Chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your consideration and look forward to hearing from you. Please support me by commenting and subscribing. I'm grateful for your support. Have a good one.